How you doing? My name is Treniushenderson. You're tuned into the famous Living Room Network. Divine powers are always working for us because we're doing right. Okay, so in this video, I'm about to reveal to you a powerful scripting technique that you can easily use to manifest money fast using the law of attraction, okay? This works like a charm. I mean, it works like magic. I mean, a lot of people don't know this, but scripting actually helps you manifest things into existence faster, and I'm about to tell you why in this video. Okay, so if you're in a situation right now where you need more money, times are tough, and you're looking for like a financial break, I can guarantee you what I'm about to tell you right now, this scripting technique that I'm about to reveal to you right now, it's gonna work for you. Some of you it might work for faster than others, but I know it worked for me. The way I learned about scripting, I used to do scripting like 2 years ago. Like 2 years, I don't do it as much as I do 2 years ago now. That's because I understand how manifestation works. But when I used to do it 2 years ago, it was working for me back then. I remember I had bought the Law of Attraction, the secret journal, like the little journal that you can write in. And I used to script in that a lot. And I filled mines up. I still have it to this day. And I'm gonna reveal it to you on the video when in the future or whatever. I'm gonna show you how I used to fill up my journals and stuff. But anyway, I used to fill up my journals and I used to write all the things that I wanted to manifest. And it's funny because those things that I wrote back then have come to pass. I used to also go out and buy those, you know, those inspirational books with the little quotes at the top, like day 27, day 28, like that. I used to also write in those books, and most of those things have come to pass. So scripting and writing out stuff really do works, and that's the reason why I got to where I am today from doing all this scripting. That's why I have like passive income, you know, that's why I'm successful, that's why, you know, money is able to come to me every day and all this and that, because I learned how to script like at an earlier stage on my journey. So I'm about to reveal to you this powerful technique. We're gonna script together. I actually have me a pen and some paper right now, so I'm gonna do it with you. So if you want to run this video back over just to get a feel for how to script, you can do that. Okay, so it's in the Bible somewhere, actually. As a matter of fact, it's in the Bible. Like, if you write things down, it's basically like the same thing as speaking things into existence when you write it down. So that's why scripting is so important. And what you want to do when you script, it's all about writing down things that you want in present tense, just like how you speak things into existence in present tense as though you already have it. Okay, so for those of you who like to write, this is gonna work well for you. When you script, it's about writing things that you want to have in present tense. Like, for instance, like let's just say you had bad breath, or I had bad breath, right? So you would script like this inside your journal or notebook. You would script, you would say, I will buy 1 pack of gum every Tuesday, period. Like, that's your affirmation right there. If you have bad breath, you would say like, I will buy 1 pack of gum every Tuesday. Okay, or another script that you could write is, you know, if you having trouble spending money and you want to save money, you will say, you know, I will not spend money on Sundays. I will not spend money on Sundays to save money, period. So I will buy 1 pack of gum every Tuesday. I will not spend money on Sundays to save money. Another script that you will write is like if you want to attract a new car or something. Let's say you want to buy the new Tesla. Y'all like the new Teslas, right? I see a lot of them out here in California when I moved out here. Okay, you would say, I drove off the lot in a new Tesla. Like, okay, so I drove off the lot in a brand, be specific too when you writing out your scripts, in a brand new red Tesla, fully loaded. So you can be specific as you can. Like, that's the best way to write your affirmations in scripting and whatever. Be as specific and descriptive as you can, but don't write like a long drawn out paragraph, because that's too much for your mind to process. You want quick, fast money. You want quick, fast things, you know, when you scripting. So I will not spend money on Sundays. Your mind sees that, boom, you read it that quick as when you look back at it. Okay, you would say like, you know, I drove off the lot in a brand new red Tesla, fully loaded. Boom. Your mind sees that every time you go back and write another script. Okay, so you know, the thing that you want to keep in mind, like when it comes to scripting, is the idea is to write something that you're able to visualize really quick. Okay, so for instance, when it comes to finances, like if you're in a tough time right now and you need money. I know I talked to a friend of mine. She said she needed $50,000 today. Okay, so if you want like $50,000, you will say to yourself something like this when you write in the script. You will say, $50,000 came to me this month in divine timing. Okay, $50,000 came to me this month in divine timing. So you see how I'm writing it out in present tense? Like every time you come up with a thought about something that you want or like money that you need, always write it in present tense. So that way, after you finish writing every script, you can visualize what $50,000 look like coming to you in divine timing. Like I'm sitting here visualizing like $50,000 being in my bank account, and I'm going to the bank and I'm asking them questions like, y'all know where this money came from? And they like, no, it's just like, it's like an anonymous person sent the money to your bank account, TreniuS. And I'm seeing all this in my mind, and I'm seeing the expression on my face of how shocked and how happy and stunned and astonished I look as I'm talking to this teller. And she's like, it's yours, it's your money. So you wanna get in the habit of like meditating and visualizing after you write every single script. Okay, that's the whole point in scripting, is to like program your subconscious mind that you already have the thing that you are scripting. That's the whole objective to getting money and manifesting money fast using scripting. Okay, so another thing that you can script is an example. If you want to have better health, if you're having health problems right now and you might not have the financial provisions to really go to the Whole Foods market or something, you know, you would write a script like this. Like present tense script would be like, only healthy foods enter my body. So you will write out the script, only healthy foods enter my body. And then you could add to it, period, I buy from Whole Foods. So you would set and you would visualize, you know, only healthy foods going into your body. The peaches, the apples, the rice, you know, all your strawberries, all your greens, your kale. You would visualize all these healthy salads that you're eating going into your body, what it tastes like, how you feel rejuvenated after you've eaten these healthy foods, how you bought it from the Whole Food store. It's so good. I'm buying vegan foods from the Whole Food store. Imagine yourself in the line of the Whole Food store. Imagine seeing all the people at the Whole Food store, you carrying your bananas in your arms at the Whole Food store. Like, oh man, you're just doing all this stuff at the Whole Food store, you know, to maintain a healthy body. So you would visualize after every single script, like everything that you want to manifest. And it's the same thing with money. Like however you want to receive money, you will write out that script in present tense form and meditate and visualize it. Because every time you go back to write a script in your journal or your notebook, every time you go back, guess what? You have to see every script. Okay, we started out with, I will buy 1 pack of chewing gum every Tuesday for our stinking breath, right? We have to see that every time we go back and we write new scripts. So it's going into our subconscious mind every time we return to our scripting. And so that's the whole point in you know, writing scripts. So one thing that I suggest in order to write scripts, like you don't have to do it like on piece of copy paper like me. I just did it because I didn't have a notebook today. But you definitely want to go out and buy you like a journal, or buy you a notebook, not too big. You don't want to look all ambiguous like in public, like writing in a big old binder or something. You know what I'm saying? Like, you just need a little handheld size notebook, so where you can pull it out your bag, your man purse, whatever, and just write something real quick that you think that you want, and just write it real quick, real small, short sentence, present tense. When you put your journal up, you meditating on it as you walk to the train, or as you go back to your car. You're just meditating on all the things, you know what I'm saying, that you have scripted. And so that's how you script. That's a powerful technique on how you script. That's how I script, and I know that's how you should script. I don't know what everybody else be telling you, but in the end of the day, the ultimate way to script is to write in present tense, small, short sentences, meditating and visualizing, like when you done scripting. You know what I'm saying? And so I'm telling you, man, this works like magic. Like I said, all the scripting that I did 2 years ago, every day, filling up notebooks, paid off today. And it's still paying off because I'm continuously still writing out little scripts from time to time, and when I make videos, okay? So go get you a journal or a notebook today. Start scripting. It really truly works. Everything comes in divine timing. Look, make sure that you share this video with a friend that, you know, may be in a financial bind right now. They might need some financial help. They might want more money or whatever. Share this video and thank them, friend, for sending you to watch this powerful scripting technique on how to easily manifest money, and it works like magic. Okay, speaking of money, what I decided to do, since this is a day before Halloween, I decided to put the success shirts that I sell on sale. On sale, yes. $25 off of the success shirts. For those of you who don't know what the success shirt looks like, just go to my website. It's going to be in the description section, or just look in the comment section, a link at the very top of the comment section. Click that link, go to my store on my website, and you will see the new success shirts that we have. $25 off, which is only $45. Okay, so you're paying only $45 for exclusive success shirt that nobody has. It's gonna raise your vibration when you wear it. When you go out, everybody's gonna want to know where you get that from. Everybody's gonna know what you do, because they're gonna see a six-figure success shirt on you, okay? And they're gonna be attracted to you. And so this shirt is, again, it's 100% cotton. It's completely custom made. Our designers completely custom makes every individual shirt by hand, okay? 100% cotton. It does not shrink or anything like that. So get you a success shirt today, folks. Only $45. Happy holiday sale, $25 off. In the meantime, do this powerful scripting technique. Make sure you subscribe to my channel up here by clicking my face icon. Click that face icon, that's me. And hit the bell notification so that you can be notified every time I upload new videos every single day. In the meantime, check out one of these other videos right here. Oh, and look, and right at the very bottom in the comment section, like an example of something that you want to script, something financially, something that you want and you need the financial provisions to get it, right in the comment section, an example of what you would script below. I want to see if you're doing it right, and I'll respond if it is right. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.